Happy Monday, friends. I hope you all had a fabulous weekend. This week, you only have 3 days worth of lessons. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday will be your catch-up day, and Friday is virtual field day. All right, so let's look at today for Monday, May the 4th. You're going to go to plans as usual. Scroll down until you see 5-4. Let's look. Here we are, 5-4. So let's look at what second grade has to do today. Second grade, you're going to do an iReady lesson, understanding measurement in different units. And we are finishing up our measurement unit, so it's really important that you do that. You just have a quick little controlling anger video you can watch. It says, read the spring rain poem, then write and draw about what you'd like to do in the rain. Be creative. You can write, draw on sidewalk chalk, dry erase board, Google Slides, anything you want to do, and then read. So let's click your poem, and here it is. What do you do when it starts to rain? And then you're going to read through this and respond. All right, kindergarten, let's look at what you have to do. Remember, you'll go in a different way. So kindergarten, you're going to get a 5-4. Here we go. You are going to go to iReady as well, and you're going to complete the one that says order numbers to 20. You're going to start to learn about gravity. So you're going to watch this groovy gravity video. And then you're going to watch Mrs. Tribble from the kindergarten team talk about gravity as well. And then you're going to read for 30 minutes. And that is all you have to do today, boys and girls. Should not take you for more than about 45 minutes total. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.